Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Coinwise Coin Identifier app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Coinwise is a mobile app designed to help coin collectors and enthusiasts identify and learn about coins from around the world. Using image recognition technology, users can take a photo of a coin or upload an image, and the app analyzes features such as inscriptions, designs, and dimensions to provide identification details. Coinwise then offers information about the coin's origin, denomination, metal composition, historical context, and approximate market value. The app aims to simplify numismatic research by making it easier to identify unfamiliar coins without needing extensive reference books or expert knowledge. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Coinwise's ability to quickly scan and identify coins using their smartphone camera. The app's database of coins from multiple countries helps hobbyists and casual collectors alike recognize rare or unfamiliar pieces. Users also value the additional information provided, such as historical background and estimated values, which can enhance understanding and appreciation of coins in their collection. The straightforward interface and step-by-step identification process make the app accessible to beginners. However, there are some drawbacks. Image recognition may sometimes misidentify worn, damaged, or obscured coins, especially if lighting or camera focus is poor. The accuracy of estimated values can also vary based on market fluctuations and may not always reflect current dealer pricing. Additionally, advanced features, like deep value analysis or grading tools, may require in-app purchases or premium subscriptions, which can limit access for casual users. In summary, the Coinwise app may be worth using if you want a simple and quick way to identify coins and learn basic historical and value information using your smartphone. However, if you need professional grade valuation or expert certification, you might still need specialized resources or numismatic experts. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.